Welcome to Echo English Vibes, where we transform your English journey into a smooth path toward true confidence and real speaking fluency. Have you ever understood every single English question perfectly but suddenly found your mind going completely blank when it was your turn? It is not because you lack vocabulary or have not studied enough, but because your brain has never been trained for pressure. In this video, you will discover a practical system that turns English from head knowledge into something you can actually speak fluently. Most learners struggle because they lack speaking reflexes, and their brains overload when trying to translate grammar while speaking under intense pressure. Fluency is not about knowing thousands of words, but about using the English you already have the very moment you need it. If you have ever frozen during a conversation, hit the like button and comment that you will not freeze anymore starting today. To respond faster, you must shift your mindset from a study brain that searches for perfect grammar to a natural reaction brain. Do not wait until you feel perfectly confident before you start speaking, because perfection is a trap that stops your natural progress. Use simple rescue phrases like, "let me think," or "give me a second" to buy yourself time while you organize your thoughts. Follow the simple formula of answer, then reason, then example. Instead of trying to deliver a long and complex perfect response now, right after this video ends, say one English sentence out loud and share how it felt in the comments below this clip. Building a reaction bank is the next step, so you no longer have to translate every single sentence in your own head. Collect everyday expressions and thinking time phrases to help you respond almost automatically during conversations without needing to think about complex grammar. If you found this section helpful, subscribe so you do not miss future speaking reflex lessons from our channel, Echo English Vibes. Knowing useful expressions is not enough, as the most important thing is practicing them every single day to build real speaking muscles. Here is a simple practice system that takes about 10 minutes a day to turn your English into a very natural reflex. Give a 1-minute report about your day, answer 3 familiar questions quickly, and learn one new expression to use immediately today. Record yourself speaking for 30 seconds, then listen back to your own voice and correct your mistakes to improve your flow slowly. The goal is not to speak perfectly, but to speak consistently, so commit to this method for 7 days and see results. None of this matters if you only watch the video without taking action, because motivation only lasts for a very short moment. A consistent practice system is what creates real results. So do not just save this video or take notes for later study. Open your mouth and speak. Accept your mistakes as part of the process. Correct them, then keep speaking without any further hesitation. Fluency does not mean never getting stuck, but it means knowing exactly what to do when you do get stuck while talking. Within the next 24 hours, complete this challenge by answering 3 questions in English and recording yourself for 30 seconds now. Use at least one rescue phrase while practicing, and then come back to this video to comment "done" to show your progress. Let us build this speaking habit together and support each other as we all work toward reaching our personal English fluency goals. If this video changed the way you think about learning English, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications today. Continue practicing with Echo English Vibes in our upcoming real-life speaking lessons, because we have so much more to cover together. Always remember that fluency is not about never getting stuck, but it is about knowing what to do when you get stuck. Your English has not disappeared. It is simply waiting for you to use it every single day with confidence and great joy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video here on our channel, Echo English Vibes, very soon. Keep practicing your skills every single day, because consistency is the secret key to unlocking your true potential in speaking English fluently. Imagine yourself speaking with ease in any situation you encounter while traveling or meeting new people from all around the entire world. Every small step you take today brings you closer to the level of fluency you have always dreamed of achieving in English. Communication is about connecting with others and expressing your unique personality through the language you are learning with such great dedication today. Track your progress by noting down the phrases you have mastered and the ones you still need to practice a little more. Each new day is a fresh opportunity to refine your speaking skills and overcome the challenges that once held you back before. Immerse yourself in English by listening to natural conversations that help you pick up common rhythms and intonations used by native speakers. Writing down new vocabulary helps solidify your memory and makes it much easier to recall those words during a real-life conversation. You have the power to communicate your thoughts effectively if you just believe in your ability to improve through consistent daily practice. Looking back at where you started will show you how far you have come since the very first day of your journey. English opens doors to global opportunities and allows you to share your ideas with people from many different cultures and diverse backgrounds. Staying calm under pressure is a skill that you can develop with time and consistent effort in your daily speaking practice sessions. Read books that interest you and try to summarize what you have read in your own words to practice speaking very clearly. Practice speaking on the phone to remove visual cues and focus entirely on your pronunciation and the clarity of your spoken words. Even if you only have a few minutes at night before bed, you can still make significant progress by practicing your speaking skills. Combining physical activity with speaking practice can help you feel more relaxed and natural when you are using your English language skills. Use flashcards to quickly review the reaction bank you have created and keep those expressions fresh in your mind for any conversation. Be kind to yourself throughout this process, because learning a new language is a long journey that requires patience and steady dedication. Take a moment to appreciate the effort you are putting into your learning, because it will pay off in many wonderful ways. Celebrate every milestone you reach, no matter how small it may seem, because each step is a victory in your personal growth. Imagine the professional doors that will open for you once you achieve the level of fluency you are striving for right now. Singing along to your favorite English songs is a fun and effective way to improve your rhythm and natural speaking flow daily. Joining a speaking club or finding a partner to practice with can provide the social interaction you need to stay motivated, always. Travel is a great way to test your speaking skills in real-life situations where you need to communicate clearly and quickly. Challenging yourself to watch movies without subtitles will help you train your ears to understand natural English speech patterns and common idioms. You are capable of much more than you think, so keep pushing your boundaries and expanding your comfort zone every single day now. Teaching others what you have learned is a fantastic way to deepen your own understanding and improve your speaking skills even further. Keep your eyes on the prize and never lose sight of why you started this journey in the first place, my dear friend. Having the right tools and a clear plan will make your journey much more enjoyable and efficient than you could ever imagine. You have all the resources you need to succeed, so trust in yourself and keep moving forward with passion and great energy. Review these points whenever you feel stuck, and remember that you are doing a great job on your path to English fluency. Your ability to speak English is a bridge that connects you to the rest of the world in many beautiful, meaningful ways. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today and never stop learning and growing. Thank you for watching this lesson on Echo English Vibes, and I look forward to seeing your progress in the next video. Stay consistent and keep practicing your English speaking skills, because you are amazing, and I will see you in the next video.